5 Interesting Facts About Android Part 2. 1. There are more than 129.1 million Android users in the US. According to the latest Android usage statistics, the number is expected to reach 131 million in 2021 and 133 million in 2022. Google was able to attract 42 million US users from 2014 to 2020. 2. Android powers more than 95% of smartphones in India. In 2014, Android took over the smartphone operating system market in India, accounting for around 45% of the market. Since then, the number has been going up. In 2020, Android accounted for 23% of the Indian mobile operating system market. It was followed by Apple's iOS, which came in second place with a 3.2% market share. The Android user base tends to be comparatively higher in developing countries than in developed countries. 3. The Android operating system holds more than 72% of the OS market. Looking at the latest Android OS stats, smartphones using the Android operating system account for 83% of the worldwide market in 2021, and this figure is anticipated to rise. Apple's mobile operating system, iOS, commands a 35% market share. Android's global market share is comparatively higher because Samsung, Oppo, OnePlus, and Xiaomi produce low to mid-range smartphones that are affordable for most people in developing countries. In this case, the fact that Apple produces only high-end devices seems to be a disadvantage. 4. Android 9 is the most popular version of Android OS. Wondering which is the most common Android version in the world? Looking at the Android version market share, Android 9 Pie was the most popular OS in the world in 2020, with a 31.3% market share. And although it was introduced in the fall of 2015, Marshmallow 6.0 was still the second most popular version of Android's operating system on smartphone devices in 2020. 5. Android powers more than 80% of smartphones in China. Looking at the Android OS share of the market in China, Android is clearly in the lead. Android was the most popular smartphone operating system in China in 2020, with a market share of more than 80%. The immense popularity of Chinese smartphone manufacturers has increased the popularity of Android OS. Like the video and share it with your friends and family. Also subscribe to the channel for more facts related videos.